In that, how many of us separate debt in our homes? Now see how few we are. Everybody needs to learn how to deal with their trash. You are learning it this period, and I hope that we are all going to put it to good use.
All the plants that are here are what color? Brown. Brown. Are they of the same? Are they of the same? What the ones that are here? Are they of the same color? Right.
So your manager, so you're going to hand it. Please, before you hand it, wait, let me tell you something. Zero. Yeah, have it. Okay, hand it. Yeah, hand it. Which is
Hello friends, my lesson has a turn fast and learn. Today we are going to learn the importance of sorting waste and demonstrate it too. What is waste and why is sorting waste important? Waste are materials that have been used and thrown out. Sorting waste is important because it helps us understand how to protect the environment and make a difference in the world. Sorting waste prevents harmful materials from getting into landfill. No, this is a bad way. What is this? It's plastic. What is this? It is a bad way. What is this? Bad way. Bad way. Look at your hands. Working on a project, nursery treasure. I'm going to use eggshells to make something very useful. We want some eggshells to make scouring powder. Now we want to wash the eggshells to remove the egg residue. We are done washing the eggshells. Now we need to dry them for at least 2 days. Our eggshells are dry. Now let's blend them. The next step is to mix the blended eggshell, water, and some detergent all together. Now let's test our finished product.
Nothing is a waste until it